So you essentially put a nail in the front like this. Then you take basically what I would call a blank. So a cartridge. Put that in the rear of the device like this. Close the device. Oh, I need my hammer. Then simply hammer it in. Isn't that amazing? So this is basically a hammer drill with a clutch. Why you need a clutch is because when you're dealing with a drill bit this size, essentially, if it grabs, the whole thing will turn and you can be knocked out, break an arm. There's so many possible consequences. Anyway, here goes. Oh yeah, by the way, there's a little drill bit. You use this just to start off the hole. So I've already done a little bit of drilling, but essentially whoa! Yeah, baby. Got through. Let's see the last piece, the other side. Okay, so today I'm going to be chinking. I built this wall so that I could get access to this higher wall, and chinking is filling in the gaps between the logs, and you do that with a mesh, a diamond mesh. All right, this is my first chinking effort, so I'm a little bit, what is the word? Not efficient. Okay, let's see here. Let's get one of these nails in. Oh. Okay. That's no good. Okay. Just trying to find a system here that works. Okay. Now that was pretty pretty darn easy. Get right to the edge there. Okay. Oh, maybe that is the ticket. Okay. Let's put another one in there, just show you how easy these are to get in. Okay, so voila. Put that in there. That is pretty freaking sweet. Maybe this is how I'm going to do it. Okay, so the tin slips are working pretty good. I wonder if my grinder would do a faster job. I don't have all day for this. Let me try the grinder out and see how that works. Okay, there's one thing I gotta remember though. With all these sparks, I better make sure I have some water nearby. All right, in case you're wondering what's on the menu here, today it's roast beef, and I'm gonna cook it in my outdoor sauna. Okay, let's get these in there. Something is blocking my access. Okay.
No, you don't have to do that.
So here's my roast, darling. I'm just showing a picture of it right now. So of the video.
Okay.
They turned out pretty good. I'm actually kind of happy, even though it was really difficult to cook them with the fire being so hot. But I managed to get it done. I did drop them a couple of times, but they look delicious.
Okay. Okay. Well, I'll look at when I come in.
So I'm eating my reheated potatoes that were partially cooked last night, as I said, and they're delicious. You can taste the fire in there. Put a little HP sauce in this. Oh, how bad?